All right, so today I am going to be installing this. It's the ADRO V2 wing on this right here. I'm gonna get rid of this disgusting OEM spoiler. Anyways, I'm just gonna time lapse really quick, taking this off and everything, and showing how to undo the bolts and what you need to do to get the wing off, and putting it on. Now, I just want to show you really quick that after taking off the screws, you can see that most of these pieces right here, they'll kind of just shake just enough, obviously, since the it's already loose. But right up here, there's some adhesive, and I'd already seen a couple other videos, and people had recommended pouring hot water, or warm water at least, over the at least like this section right back here, just in between the cracks. So that way some of that hot water can kind of loosen up the adhesive underneath here. So we're gonna try that instead of just yanking it off, and see if it works. All right guys, went ahead and got this bad boy off. So now all I have to do is take this portion off from this, because you want to obviously keep the third brake tail light, and it sits on top, and put the carbon one on. All right, so there's a couple screws on this that we need to take off. Flip it around real quick. Show you guys. So I believe we gotta take off a screw right here, here, and then two on the sides, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. So just take a regular Phillips head right here, just like this, and go ahead. Just unscrew these bad boys. Now, I did get this aftermarket wing secondhand, so I'm not entirely sure what all comes with it, but I will say that the guy was kind enough to give me some screws and also some washers with it. I think that might have come in the actual package, so I'm gonna assume those are the right ones. If they aren't, then I guess we'll just play it by ear. Anyways. I felt like it was really important while I'm tearing this thing up to mention that this piece right here, while you're taking this off, has a ton of adhesive on it. I mean, I've already been pulling a little bit, but there's a ton of adhesive on this fucking thing. I think should be it. I think it should just come off now. There's adhesive on here too. Oh, I think so. Dang. Oh, right. Oh, there we go. A lot of adhesive right there. You can see the strips right here, some right here, and right here. Am I gonna put adhesive on the wing? No, I'm not. But if you wanted to, I guess go. That boy's gonna go sit on just like this. If I'm not mistaken. I should say something like that. Okay. Move it around a little bit. We'll put the screws in, we'll be good. I'm gonna start from the inside out. Are, see if I can pick that up right there. Little Allen key heads. I'm not a big fan of these, but I'm not sure if the length difference is required or not, but I'm just gonna use them anyways, and I'll put them on. So I went ahead and I got everything put on. Most of these screws fit in perfectly fine, no issues. However, this side was being a pain in the ass. I don't know why. It's aftermarket, but I know some things aren't gonna be perfect. Anyways, so I had to use the original screws in. Even though the original ones didn't have any washers, I just decided to put them in there because towards the end, they were starting to stick out a little bit. So I felt like having that little bit of a distance helped with making sure it's just tight. But anyways, I'm gonna put this on the car now. Here's how it looks. It's all done put on. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. Hope you have a good one.